Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of The Academy. By now, you've probably heard of ChatGPT, a popular chatbot that is widely used on the internet of late. It has approximately 30 million users daily, with analysts predicting an increase to 100 million users by January 2023. With ChatGPT, users are able to ask anything from physics to poetry, even programming. For us, we're curious to ask it about money management tips to understand the extent of the chatbot's expertise. ChatGPT's answer can be summarized to how achieving financial freedom is a process that involves setting goals, developing a plan, and taking consistent actions to achieve them. The steps are as follows: create a budget, regular savings, pay off debts, smart investments, create multiple income streams, live below our means, be patient and persistent. To understand more, we take a leaf out of Grant Sabieter's book, Financial Freedom, A Proven Path to All the Money You'll Ever Need. The book articulates the 7 levels of financial freedom. First, stock your finances. Determine how much money is available, what are the debts incurred, and what are your goals. Knowing this, you can better understand your finances and set appropriate goals. Hard work is the basis of this level, where income is sufficient to cover the basic expenses without external help, such as parental contributions. This loosely translates to spare money after deducting living expenses. It is common for those at level 4 to have paid off high interest rate debts and have prepared at least 6 months' worth of living expenses or emergency funds. People at level 5 often have the ability to buy time. They could temporarily take a year off if they want, cited Sabatier. At this level, people here can live on investment income alone. Sabatier said that these people either earn good interest on their investment portfolios, income from rental properties, or a combination of both. This is the level where we have more money than we need. Financial freedom is a progressive journey. Everyone needs an approach and a game plan which decides how fast or slow they move through these stages. ChatGPT states that it is unable to provide a definitive answer as it is an AI language model. It suggests that we should consult a professional financial advisor who is able to provide tailored solutions based on unique financial situations, goals, and risk tolerances. ChatGPT also mentions to look into principles of diversification, asset allocation, and regular review when building a financial portfolio. It is also important to review and rebalance your portfolio regularly to ensure that it meets the investment objectives. The recommendations shared by ChatGPT are reasonable from a general standpoint. However, there is much more to know about portfolios. The 4 common portfolio types are: investors with conservative portfolios tend to keep their risk low to protect their capital. They achieve this by holding onto bonds and income-producing dividend stocks. Such portfolios are often the choice of older or near-retirement investors. An aggressive portfolio is also known as a capital appreciation portfolio. It is often the portfolio of choice among young investors or risk-takers who constantly look for fast-growing assets with more volatile investments. This type of portfolio focuses solely on reliable income from assets such as municipal bonds and dividend-paying stocks. This is a great option for retirees as it provides them with a regular retirement paycheck. A hybrid portfolio is a combination of many different investments such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and more. It is usually diversified across multiple assets to balance risks and returns. This is a great option for first-time investors as it exposes them to equity, often with relatively low risk. We believe that ChatGPT has provided the public with the basic money management tips. However, it is limited in translating knowledge into action. The chatbot is unable to proactively provide comprehensive information that is tailored to an individual. The success of achieving your financial goals still rests entirely on our actions. Would you agree? Be sure to like, share, and follow for more actionable investment insights now.